Who's that?
Oi.
We'll never understand buying salad from places. That doesn't really make much sense. Sometimes you can just live off salad.
Now let's read this one. What's the story saying? Wake up before. The fourth Sunny.
What's that? I'm Gretchen. This is my book, and I don't want you to read it. Hey, who said you'd come so close to me? I want to play with my trash, and I want you far, far away. Good. Now you're far away from wonderfully dicky trash. Hey, you came close again. Okay, if that's the way you're going to be, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move out of this trash can and let somebody else move in. Hello there, I'm a little girl, and I live in this trash can. My name is Melody. Also, my garage.